called hands-free?
I think so, maybe.
It's called hands-free. Jensen BT.
Yeah.
Jensen these nuts. Let's play that Vader, boys. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you go.
Come on, bro. All right, there we go, boys. There we go.
Oh, here we go.
Turn that up.
Baby girl, we're not friends. Let me just.
Oh, it's actually fire.
That's all it go. That's the mix. Shake it. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. More.
Let's turn it off now. It's trash.
Yeah, it's trash.
Y las cumbres de un verde mezquite.
Who gave this man the odds?
Este cantaba un bolero.
Y decía.
Bro, when life gives you lemons, bro.
Oh my god. Why is this so good? Oh, this ain't him.
Right now, look, come on. I ain't been talking my shit because I
Hold on, let me get a.
I already fucked us. I was down bad, I know I done it all out. I feel it in my ass.
Okay.
I had to take a dump before this. It's not helping. I'm wiggling my poop out, bro.
You wanna run that bad?
Bro, I said what I said.
It's so hot.
But I'm gonna take my clothes off.
You gotta cool off. Space car's too hot. Oh yes, sir. There.
Hey! I'm recording this.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey! Hey!
Who are we saying hey to?
Yo, man's washing.
Talking. Lay down right now. Lay down. This is a different kind of pain.
If we don't get 1 million subscribers in a month, we destroy base car.
Oh god.
Yo, someone bust out the tech deck. Where's the tech deck at?
Oh no.
No.
I
got my teeth.
All I'ma say, bro, if Zeon and Devo release one more trailer and not an episode, this will go happen.
I swear.
Bow. This is life right here.
I gotta go.
Bye, Devin. I love you. You want a drink?
Want a shot?
Get in on this action.
You gotta put it right up to the subs, bro.
There we go. It should load now.
Guys, I'm scared.
Come on!
Alright, there's a slight intermission. We got a message from Playboy Cardi.
Jump at the house. 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 Jump at the house.
Oh, man! No, he sucks!
Play one more Vader song before I do.
The ultimate one. Look, he's coming back. He's coming back. Look at the blue line, bro. It's gone. Everyone, silence. Yo, everyone start chanting Dark Side so he'll load.
Dark side. 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 Dark side.
Dang, bro, we really thumping.
Dark bump you keep talking like that.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna get instant replay on that.
Dark bump you keep talking like that.
Jump in the house, jump in the house.
Vader on 3. 1, 2, 3. Vader!
And we needed him most. Oh. Tater.
Baby girl, we're not friends. Let me just get my advance. I'm steady climbing while you still stuck in a trance. Baby, you know that I wanted you. Now I'm feeling trapped. Don't talk to me, slap. Talk no cash, but I still like your last next match. Don't want someone rap.
Cause I'm broke, dude. But I ain't afraid to make this shit. Yeah, I'm broke, dude. Hey, yo, my man, he had too much Vader. Oh, come back. Now go back. All right, boys.
Now I'm feeling trapped. Don't talk, you miss slap. Ay, I ain't told no gas, but I still rock your ass like slabs. Throw a pussy boy right on his back.
Goodbye. Let me show everybody your tag. Please.
That was the worst experience.
That was so hot.
It was high, it was cramped, and my ears were exploding in the backseat. My dad's gonna be like, why are you running late? Bass.
Goodbye, Chris.